Once upon a time, in a dense, verdant forest, lived a rabbit named Remy. Remy was known for his laziness, always finding excuses to avoid work. One day, as autumn approached, Remy noticed the acorns falling from the oak trees. "Acorns are so small," thought Remy, "I don't need to gather them." He watched as other animals scurried about, filling their burrows with acorns for the winter. "They are foolish," he snickered, "the forest will provide." Days turned into weeks, and winter arrived with a chill. Remy found himself without food, while others were dining on their stored acorns. He ventured out, hoping to find something edible, but the forest was barren. Remy felt a pang of hunger and cold. He remembered the acorns he had once dismissed. He realized his laziness had cost him his comfort. He wished he had been like the other animals who had prepared for the cold season. One day, while shivering in his burrow, Remy heard the sound of acorns falling. Suddenly, he saw a squirrel jumping from tree to tree, gathering acorns. Remy called out, "Squirrel, can I have an acorn? I am hungry and cold." The squirrel looked at Remy, then at the full pile of acorns in her paws. "I could give you an acorn," said the squirrel, "but I've learned that it's better to prepare for the future. You should have done the same." Remy felt a sense of shame and regret. He realized that hard work and preparation were the keys to a comfortable winter. From that day forward, Remy worked diligently, gathering acorns each autumn, ensuring he would never again face hunger and cold. And so, the tale of Remy serves as a reminder to us all: preparation and hard work are the keys to a comfortable future. Don't let laziness lead you astray. Always prepare for the challenges that lie ahead.